All right, so the windows are unlocked. Just go ahead and slide them, each one. Okay, and then go ahead and lock them. Okay, and now spin it around so as though we were on the outside of the building. Okay, now break in. Are they both locked? Okay. So let's show how much play is in that. And that is with the wheels fully adjusted as tight as you can get that window, correct?
Correct. We're maxed out, setting this as high as possible. And there's still an inch of movement